hold, I should be clear. Form fuel well, roger.
Welcome to Jack Tier 3. I want you to see any movement in there. I want you to head out. Roger. We're taking fire from roughly building 112, 113 on Broadway and Lincoln County, the three over. We'll see what's building. Roger, that's a rough get right now, over. 113. Right outside the building, 33. We're outside the building. I want to show up everything in that area.
Tayo. Pasok ka dyan, Kit. Ka doon ka humarap. Ganun. Yan.
Nag-set up eh.
Tama ka, Dri. Yan. Okay, sa likod ka na lang, Dri, para kanya naka-video ka doon. Okay. Say, chill shooter.
Chill shooter. South.
Okay, one more. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Wala na palang reload to.
let's go!
Bad trip naman.
Huwag kalimutan magkamot na magazine. Gun down. Red man walking.
Diyan kayo.
Huwag siya magkamot na magazine. Balik 5 meters. Area. Hit.
Changing mag. Cover. Changing mag.
Hit. Balik 5. Hit.
Hindi nag-call. Hindi nag-call.
Hit.
Push team.
Mr. Shuta, lipat ka dito, Rex. Let's go.
Kasama na ako dito ha, kahit wala akong band. Di na ako magbaband. Left tayo, kaliwete lahat sila. Hit. May nauna.
Meters lang, idol. Okay, dyan. Hit. Okay nyo dyan, basta nakatago ka. Hit.
Reposition, nandun na sa U-box. Malapit.
Kaliwa.
Last call. Nakalusot yung baril sa pagitan ng drum at paleta. Ayaw, nakalusot kasi yung ano. Sombrero niyo ba yan? Nakasuot?
Out, hit.
Sabi mo sa Marshall, nakasilip sa pagitan ng baril yung ano. Ay, shit ka. Sira ang aking red dot. Yun na naman, nasira pa. Gun down, gun down. Gun down, gun down. Bawal ilusot yan, boss. Blind fire yan, boss. Kaya hindi ka namin mahit eh. Ah, sorry, di ko narinig. Sorry. Hit. Last life.
Okay, game over.
Nice one. Nice. Kala ko may bumaril din. Game, sir.
Thank you, boss.
Nice game po.
Nice game.
Nice game.
Oh, nice game po.
Oh, tumatakbo.
Akala ko may wala ng tao doon. Akala ko kalimutan ko mag-program, wait lang. Bante ka din, papalit ako sa'yo dyan. Yan. Papalitan ko si sir. Sir, may tao dun sa kill house mo?
Dun, meron dun, oh. So may helicopter dun na ano. Kasagot.
Yan tayo. Hit. Hit na. Ang ina, sabi ko hit na, binaril pa rin sa puwet, sakit.
Ah, pistol pre.
Oo, push ako dito.
Ah, sige. Para may kasabi. Kabilaan. Sige. Push ako.
Push ako sa Imperial ah. Moving.
Labas na, sir.
Marshall. Nagko-coaching yung deadman dun sa dulo ng drum oh. Nagko-coaching siya.
Bawal na mag-coach yung mga out na sa game.
Ayan na, andyan na. Nice call.
Hit.
Sorry, good call.
Good call.
Ilan pa ang ball mo, sir? Hit ka na!
Sir, 20 seconds. Sir, hanggang doon lang kayo sa may kilaw. Bawal na kumain.
1 minute. Sorry. Ayun, tamaan ko yan eh.
Nice, 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 nice. Game, nice game.
Hindi ko alam bawal.
Bawal tayo mag-push. Nice game, sir.
Good game.
Good game, good game. Safety, safety, safety. Sir, nice game po. Sorry, sir.
Dito matama
Nice, nice game, nice game. Sir, nice game po.
Let's
Nice game.
Hindi ka tinatamaan.
Sir, nice game.
Yung bala ko. Pala.
Para ka lang naka PDX pre ah. Para ka lang naka PDX. Ginaganon lang ni Dennis oh. Para naka PDX lang.
Hindi ko alam na.
Game scenario! Skirmish lang ha, all players, free life! Ready!
Ano tayo?
Basta!
Sa chill shooter na pa der? Friendly, friendly hoy. Checker fire, checker fire. Aray, ang sakit.
Baklak sa helicopter.
Nasa chill shooter pa rin na pa der.
Bilis na yung kitchen shooter.
Umalis na yun sa chill shooter.
Si Dennis ba yung ano sa kitchen shooter?
Sige Dennis, peace. Okay na, kunin natin yung pader na yan. Di nakatama. Duling ang puta.
Side. Bawat sa nyo sa gate ang buhay. Gusto mo pang mahit ka?
Nakapush na ako sa U-box.
Okay, copy. Meter sir ha. Single shot, headshot ha. Nagsasapres ka. Lipat siya dyan sa'yo. Go, Abi, lipat na, lipat na. Yes, suppress.
Patao ko sa left, patao ko sa left. May gumagapang sa may damo.
Ito kami ni Ian.
Okay. 10-4. Pahol dyan. Nice call. Kanina pa ay mag-goal eh.
Si Ren kasi maara-ara.
Bariling ko.
Oh, barilin mo lang yung drum pa single para hindi lumabas yung tago. Ito, yan oh, yung drum na yan.
Saan?
Yan, yung drum na yan, yan. Ito.
Mabaril.
Kaya mo maglipat yan. Yan, sa drum na yan. Ah, lobat. Gandang ka, gandang.
Yan.
Surprise. Tatanong ako.
Yumuko lang ang putik.
Right side. Bawal na tumira.
Headshot. Finally.
Press ka na lang. Push. Formation! Right!
Sir, hit ka na sir ha.
Sir, hit.
Kita na. Hit ka na, kanina pa.
Hit ka na, sir. Hit ka na, atras.
Kinakall out ka na Marshall sir.
Sige, pag ayaw umamin, bakbakan.
Hey Narnia, let's go! Let's fucking go!
Ayaw mo tumawag eh.
Ang puno ng mangga, sir, pwede.
First hit, first hit.
Okay, y'all know why I'm here, huh? Yeah, country band, country band. Package in my right, got a knife in my other hand, huh? Country band, country band. They kick me out of Switzerland. They say I got a country band, huh? Country band, country band. Picasso came from France. My diamonds from the motherland. Yeah, country band. Country band in China, came from China. Got this rifle from a Russian. They say I can't go to Mexico no more. I got Texaco galore on the 4th floor store. The plug is 4 doors towards the North Corridor. Send them through the house, keeping that jet more for chores. If the police try to catch us in this 4 doors floor, in the floorboard of this 4-door core is $250,000. He fronted us 2 marijuana trucks. If I don't pay him for these bushes, they gon' war for it, George. Huh? Yeah, moral of the story. When you hit the Georgia border, we need more for the boy. Yeah, and you know we gotta tax you. Turkey bag with the food, say the double wrap you. Before you seal it, gotta hit it with the vacuum. Try to steal it, pull a Scarface in the bathroom. Niggas out here snitching to the